All right, it's November, what is our 4th? It's day before election day. My keys are sitting here. I go to hop my car to take it in for service when my car won't start, and there we go. Nothing. So here I wait for a Ford tech to come out ASAP. Yeah, this is crazy. I just picked it up on Friday, and I'm supposed to take it and drop it off at another dealer today to get fixed. And I hop in to start it. Well, the funny thing is, I remote started the car. I grabbed the door handle and the car shut off. And I was like, okay, this is fucking funny here. And I hop in a car and crazy. So I'm just going to sit here until a tech gets here to look at my car.